I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a clear drop plan and required gear. Land on the hotspot's edge so you can pivot. This gives you loot and sightlines. Prioritize a shotgun and an SMG for close fights, then grab mobility like launch pads or a rift-to-go to control rotation. Once you've looted, stage at cover that overlooks the hotspot. Make sure to communicate with teammates about entry timing so you don't all brawl at once. Once you hold the hotspot, focus on control rather than kills. Control wins games. Use builds to claim height and edit windows for peaks, then deny enemy entries with explosives and utility. Push only when you have angle advantage or enemy is isolated. Otherwise, reposition. Coordinate pushes so one teammate flushes while another holds high ground. Keep an eye on mats and shields if you're low. Disengage and resupply before re-engaging, because sustained control requires resources. To finish, lock the hotspot by boxing up, healing, and retaking high ground so you dictate fights. Sweep for supply drops and downed opponents quickly to remove threats. If the zone forces a push, use quick resets. Disengage, rotate around cover, then re-enter from a different angle. Troubleshooting tip: if the hotspot is constantly contested and you keep losing fights, don't keep forcing. Rotate one POI over and pressure from angles. Conserving resources and picking fights on your terms wins more matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.